Ooh. Hello everybody, hello lovely people, how are you all today? I am excited to do my first video in front of my tree. I think on the last video I did, I was like, I need to put stuff up, I need to start sitting in front of a tree, and here I am. I'm worried that the fairy lights are a bit like blinding, but it's got to be done, guys. Christmas jumper on, Christmas tree in the background, latte in hand. Latte. So yeah, welcome to my latest video. Hope you're all doing really well today. I have had a crazy morning. I feel really happy to be sat down with a coffee, to be honest with you. Cooper is at my mum and dad's for the next couple of hours. They've offered to take him to the toddler play group and take him back to theirs. He'll be there for a couple of hours, which frees me up to film this and do a couple of other things that I need to do. I've basically got a huge secret project going on. In the house, I'm doing a big secret project, which I haven't shared anything about, and I won't share it at all until it's finished. But when I tell you that it is taking up all my time, it is taking up all my time, plus my mental capacity. Like, it's stressing me out, things keep going wrong. My toxic trait is doing stuff to the house when Clint's away, and then him coming home and pointing out how I've done it wrong. It's kind of how we work. Anyway, let's hope he's not watching this video. I went to Poundland yesterday with Coops in tow. We went to see what we could find, and do you know what, I feel like I'm a bit late to the party. It was a bit sparse. I was quite shocked, to be honest, considering we're still in November. I mean, this is coming from the person who does her like Christmas B&M haul in October, but I was genuinely surprised. But even with the shelves quite empty, I still managed to get some really cute bits. Plus the bag. How cute was this bag for life? There were a few to choose from, and this was by far the cutest. Right, when I first walked in, first thing I noticed is they had a big sort of stand dedicated to Elf on the Shelf. We have an Elf on the Shelf. They are very Marmite. You either have one or you hate them and will never have one. Sometimes I wish that we'd never had one, but we do. And they actually had a whole like display of Elf on the Shelf accessories. There was all sorts there. They had like a little message board you could write on, they had outfits he could wear, they had stickers. So I thought these could be cute on the 1st of December when our darling elf returns. I thought it could be cute if these were with him, because these are all Elfie stickers. Leo loves stickers. And also this Elf on the Shelf colouring book. Thought that could be a cute little surprise for him. Pretty good for £1, to be honest. I mean, there's pages and pages of colouring in there, and he loves to colour. So I thought that could be cute. We'll put those out with the elf on the 1st of December. And although I'll be honest, I did get deja vu when I picked this one up. I kind of feel like I bought it last year. If you're an avid subscriber, maybe you can tell me, because sometimes you guys remember things better than I do. But they had these little elfie footprints, so I'm thinking I could use these, sprinkle some flour over them, you know, to the door, to the front door, and it'll look like he's just creeped in. How cute are they? It says you get a pack of 2 as well. Oh no, I see. Right, yeah, you cut it down the middle. Look, cut it down the middle, and then it's a nice long trail. Cute, right? They also had quite a few Christmas stories. If you have been following my videos, you will know that I've made a little like Christmas bedtime story basket that is upstairs under the boys' tree. And I wasn't going to get any more books. To be honest, I had a lot more books than I thought I did. Plus a few new ones that I got in Home Bargains, was it? So I wasn't going to get any more, but for £1 they had this, which is the story of Christmas, as in the traditional story of Jesus being born in Bethlehem. And I don't think we have that one. I don't think we have the actual Christmas story. So, and also Leo's Angel Gabriel in his Christmas show. And there he is. I thought I'd appreciate that. So I'm going to pop that upstairs in the boys' Christmas basket. I got a little set of string pearl lights. They had a few, quite a lot actually, selection of little fairy lights like this. I mean, they're only a really short string. Like, oh, I mean, I knew it'd be short, but that's, okay, it's a bit longer than I thought. So it's maybe like 1 meter long. And there is a plan for this. I didn't know the pearls were gold. Pearls would be white. I mean, is there even such a thing as a gold pearl? But they had loads and loads and loads of fairy lights to choose from, obviously for £1. Cute like star ones and all sorts. I got a Santa hat. These are just really handy to have around this time of year. Sometimes Leo, I think he wore one to school last year on like Christmas jumper day. I put one on Cooper last year to take some really cute like baby pictures, and I don't know where that hat has gone. Like many things, it just disappears. So I thought I'll grab another one. I want to try and take some similar sort of baby Christmas shoot pictures with my nephew, who is only 9 months old. So this would be ideal for that. You need a Santa hat lying around the house at Christmas. Oh, I was really, really happy when I saw these, right? Because I totally forgot that I even need to buy this stuff. And then I saw this big selection in Poundland and I was like, thank you. So our advent calendar is like a fabric advent calendar that like hangs on the back of the kitchen door, and it has pockets. It's homemade. My auntie made it for the kids, and she's made one for my niece and nephew as well. Very, very cute, very sentimental. So obviously I had to fill the pocket with more than I normally would, because this is the first year where I'm actually filling for 2 kids. Like up till now it's just been Leo. Like obviously last year like Cooper wasn't eating the Christmas chocolates. I got 2 kids to fill it for now, but there was loads of little chocolate things to choose from to fill it up. So what did I get? I got a bag of chocolate coins. I got a bag of chocolate, can you see it's there all different Elf on the Shelves. I got chocolate Santas. They're like hollow chocolate Santas, and some chocolate baubles. So that hopefully, I mean, what is there, 25 pockets, 2 kids, I need 50 things. Hopefully that's 50. I'm looking at it now and I'm not so sure. We'll find out when I do it. Oh yeah, forgot about him. You know, I was saying earlier with the Elf on the Shelf stuff with the stickers and the colouring book that I might leave them out with, oh, I don't even know what he's called, Snowflake or something, whatever he's called, on the 1st of December. Then they also had this big hollow chocolate Elf on the Shelf, so I thought I'll leave him out there as well. Not for Cooper, it's a bit much, but Leo will love that. Cooper's at that weird age where it's like he has to be involved, especially because he has the older sibling, but he ain't got an absolute clue what's going on. Like he is like, what's happening to the house? He's really surprisingly disinterested with the trees. Like, he's come in and looked at mine a couple of times. I mean, we don't really like spend time in here in the day, but he has come in and looked at it and he's like, okay. And the boys' tree upstairs, which is covered in like really exciting looking colourful baubles, he's like, he has a little look, touches them, and then he's like, okay. Honestly, he is the most giver baby you've ever met. I think this is the last Christmas themed thing. Got some Winter Spice Sephora, and I can never remember if this is the one I love or the other one. I should have got cinnamon and orange. I was in the shop like, is it cinnamon and orange or Winter Spice? Which one is the one that I love? I mean, this one's lovely, but cinnamon and orange is the one that I absolutely adore. This is what happens when you're shopping with a toddler in tow. You make mistakes. I've got a few more bits, house related, kid related, but not necessarily Christmas related. But don't turn me off, keep watching, because there's still some goodies in here. Now these are handy at Christmas. I needed a couple of these plug adapters. I need to put one over here for my tree. The plug is like behind our huge like TV unit thing, and I can't, because the plug for the tree is like one of those annoying plugs that like come out, not flat. So I can't get it in there. So I'm gonna have to put this thing on so that I can get the plug in. And then I just got another one because you just always need these things. I think I'm gonna need it when I do the outdoor lights as well. They're also so cheap, so got a couple of those. I got these for the boys. Cooper adores these and so does Leo's. And I think we run out, so I just grabbed a bag of those. God, this looks like extremely unhealthy. I promise my children eat fruit and veg and healthy things. This is a very sugar heavy haul. And I was just walking past the like baby section and saw a couple of things. Like Cooper has like no bath toys. He he's either outgrown them or they've gone a bit gross and he just doesn't have any. I've said to like family that if they see any nice bath toys that that'd be great for Christmas. And I saw in Poundland this in Da Tub. Alright, Poundland. A pack of 5 bath time friends, they're calling it. They're just, I assume, little toys that are going to float around. But he does like things like this. He likes taking them out, lining them up, that kind of thing. So I got those. They're all like a shell and an octopus and yeah. And I got these, which was a pack of 6 farmyard bath toys. Which he'll definitely love because these, yeah, they stand up, so he'll be able to move these around and put them wherever he pleases. And there you go. There you go, Poundland Christmas 2022, done. So like I said, I got some really good stuff, loads of Elf on the Shelf stuff, but I'd seen like my friends that have done Poundland hauls and they've managed to find lots of decorative bits, and I don't know, maybe it was just the one that I went to, but those things just weren't there. Anyway, thank you so much for watching my latest video as always. My first one by the tree as well. Monday, Motivation Monday, is going to be a huge decorate with me video. I've been filming all week, so rather than decorating everything in one day, which is usually pretty horrific and stressful, I've been doing one thing a week, and then obviously at the end of the week I will put all that footage together and make one giant video. But I've also been uploading to my shorts every night, like a little mini video of what I've done that day. So make sure to look at my shorts to see what I've done so far. But guys, thank you so much for watching my latest video. Don't forget to subscribe before you go, and I'm gonna go make the most of whatever I've got left of this child-free time, just over an hour. I'm gonna go work on my secret project. And I will see you lovely people in my next video.